Mars is an extreme environment with freezing temperatures, low oxygen, and intense radiation. While no known animal could survive unaided, some Earth creatures have adaptations that might help them withstand Martian conditions. Here are 10 animals that have the best chances of surviving, at least temporarily, on the red planet. 1. Tardigrades, water bears. Tardigrades are famous for their resilience. These microscopic creatures can survive extreme heat, cold, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. They enter a state called cryptobiosis, where they lose almost all water in their bodies, effectively becoming invincible to harsh conditions. Scientists believe they could endure Mars' environment, at least in short bursts. 2. Brine shrimp, sea monkeys. Brine shrimp lay eggs called cysts that can survive extreme dryness and temperature fluctuations for years. If Mars had even temporary liquid water, these creatures could potentially hatch and thrive in salty Martian ponds, much like they do in Earth's salt flats. 3. Antarctic springtails. These tiny, insect-like creatures live in Antarctica's harshest conditions. They can survive freezing temperatures and extremely dry environments, making them potential candidates for withstanding the cold and arid landscape of Mars. 4. Scorpions. Many scorpion species have adapted to desert environments, requiring very little water and surviving extreme temperature swings. They can also withstand high radiation levels, which would be crucial for survival on Mars, where there's little atmospheric protection from cosmic rays. 5. Wood frogs. Wood frogs survive harsh winters by freezing solid and then thawing in the spring. This ability could help them endure Mars' extreme cold, although they would need a source of liquid water to function properly. 6. Rotifers. These microscopic animals can survive desiccation, complete drying out, and high radiation exposure. Like tardigrades, they can enter a dormant state and revive when conditions improve. If Mars had temporary water sources, rotifers might stand a chance of survival. 7. Sahara desert ants. These ants endure extreme desert heat and survive with minimal water. On Mars, they might struggle with the cold, but their ability to function in harsh, arid conditions gives them a better chance than many other creatures. 8. Lichen. Though not an animal, lichen deserves a mention because of its extreme survivability. It has already been tested in Mars-like conditions and survived exposure to space. If introduced to Mars, certain lichen species could grow on rocks, using sunlight and minimal resources to survive. 9. Darkling beetles. These desert beetles live in some of Earth's driest places, including the Namib Desert, where they collect water from fog on their backs. If Mars had occasional water vapor, they might find ways to survive. 10. Nematodes, roundworms. Nematodes are microscopic worms that can endure extreme conditions, including freezing and radiation. They have been found deep underground on Earth, suggesting they could potentially survive beneath Mars' surface, where conditions are more stable. While Mars is currently too harsh for animals to live naturally, future terraforming or biological experiments might make it possible. For now, these creatures remain some of Earth's best survivalists, proving life's incredible adaptability.